This is the light from a bright window at night traveling through a piece of plastic fiber optic cable. Now I'm pointing it at the moon. It's 2 days past the full. I'm going to send a Morse code message. 3 seconds is a dash, 1 second is a dot, with a 3-second pause between letters. Here we go.